Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to find a duplicate photo on your iPhone. So to do that, you just need to open your photo library, and right after that you just need to scrolling down into the site. So make sure that you are stay in an album. So the options of the duplicates file is already it's in an album section, so make sure that you are go into this section, and right after that you need to scroll down until you found these utilities, and right after that there will be for options either the imports, duplicates, hidden, and recently deleted. So to find a duplicates photo, you just need to visit the duplicates, and they will be give you information about the photos that have been duplicated on your phone, and you just need to do a merge so that you can delete one of them and keep one another. So here you just need to click merge and just go click the merge two items, and you can do for the rest. So that is the way guys how to find the duplicates photo on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.